while Shane was busy with gunboats on one side of the Atlantic, the kids and I were dealing with problems of our own on the other side. While Shane was away, we planned to sail Paikea south towards Grenada and out of the hurricane zone. But then we made a discovery which put an end to the sailing rather abruptly. Our chainplates were pulling out of the deck. So this is your to scale template for our new carbon fibre chain plates. So you can see this is the deck here, the outside.
Yep.
This is the toggle for the stay.
Yep.
This is that lowers.
Yeah, so toggle for the side stays, the main pin that goes through, and then the lowers will get lashed into the extension of the pin into the second chain plate.
Okay, and then it goes through the deck.
Yep.
So you're gonna have to cut the entire deck away, are you?
No, just two big squares where these go through.
And then it's gonna run down all of our nasty bulkhead. All the way down there. We'll have to show it on the actual bulkhead, shall we?
Me dry fitting my template to the bulkhead to see if the triangles and circles that I drew match the triangles and circles that are on the boat. And so far, after the second attempt, it's looking alright. Certainly close enough for government work.
So tell me, why do you need, if we're going to wet laminate some carbon onto this bulkhead, why do you need a template?
Because we're actually going to replace this part of the bulkhead. I'm actually going to make a new piece of bulkhead, which is going to be the white thing here, and I'm going to laminate the chain plates to the replacement bit of bulkhead.
Oh, and then stick the whole thing in.
And then stick the whole thing in afterwards.
Now I know what you're doing. Okay.
I have my reference lines of my old template in relation to the actual piece that comes in and out, and where the new one will go, and the reference heights and all that sort of stuff now sorted. So when I build the new one, it will go where I intend it to go.
Hear why the holes are there? To let the air out
of the foam
of the first layer of glass.
So we got the standard vacuum stack coming together. We've got the fuel ply, and the foam core, breather felt and perf plastic.
That's a lot longer than I thought you were going to do.
Well, I got the bit still in the middle, so the two on the ends where the carbon goes over, and the piece in the middle will get cut out once it's all laminated.
Yeah, okay, so that's your spacer, essentially, isn't it?
Yep, keeps everything in alignment. So that when I put a pin right through, it goes right through and it's not out of alignment.
And is that etched and stuff to help it bond to the carbon?
Yep. So to stop it from being ejected out the side, because normally I'd have a cotton reel machined up which would have big shoulders on it, but I don't have that available here in El Caribe. So I'm just using a stainless steel sleeve, but I'm put grooves and slots and stuff in it to stop it from potentially rotating and being ejected out the side of the chain plate if it ever tried to break. Well, just trying to stop it from ever breaking loose.
Will it corrode?
No, so the first thing I'm going to do is wrap it in a full layer of glass fiber to insulate it from the carbon and try and minimize the amount of corrosion that will be in there.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Came out quite nice.
How can you tell?
You can see straight through it. It's all nice and transparent, and I can't see any whitening and air bubbles. That's consolidated quite well.
Okay, so we had this in the sun for 24 hours to post-cure.
Well, we had it not 24 hours, but yesterday. Yeah. Try and warm it up and get it to cure a little bit. I gotta start the second stage of the laminating. So I only did half of the stack. 2 reasons. One, the gel times or the cure times on the resin is quite short, and I didn't think I'd have enough time to laminate it and get the bag on. Turns out I didn't even have enough time to get the bag on. But the second one is it's quite thick here. It's going to finish it around 10 millimeters thick, and that will be an exothermic problem because it's quite thick. You can get an exotherm in thick laminates where it cooks itself and can run away and do lots of horrible things to the resin. So I split the laminating of the strapping into 2. Now I need to give it a sand and ready for laminating the second half. And people will be asking, why am I going to sand it? Because I've got peel ply on it. You always sand a peel ply finished if you're doing a secondary bond. That is not good enough to bond to. Some people go, yes it is, I've done it for years, but no it's not. Spent a lot of time in a research and development lab testing stuff like this, and the nylon peel plies, they all have silicon release agents on them so that you can actually get them off, and it basically produces a resin rich surface for you to sand, and when you sand it, it shatters the resin matrix at the surface, which then gives you a good surface to bond to. But the actual straight peel plied surface by itself is not good to bond to.
Okay, second layer's on. All cured. Now we're taking off the guides, the fences, I think you called them, Shane?
Yep.
Ooh, look at all those layers.
Ew, that's a bit.
There's a bit, hey? So that's our new chain plate. Wow. Pretty clever, huh?
Wow.
You impressed? Bit of work, hey?
Look at that. Fancy schmancy.
Alright, what are you kids doing?
Taking out the chain plate.
Are you sure you're allowed to do that on a boat?
No! We're just doing this for fun. Dad hasn't given it a thumbs up yet, but he's on Saturday, so. Alright, next one up. Okay, so Ali's gonna pop off the backing plate. Hey, oh my god, look how much those bolts have gone up. Oh, this is heavy. So, that's scary how far the bolts have gone up. It's a lot further than I thought. Yes, it is. Holy! It's got to be at least 2 kilos or something here. Holy shit. Oh, that is heavy. So, Ollie, you want to pull this out? Yeah, alright, now it's coming out. That's, the first bolt hole. That's the first hole. Here we go. Look at that, it's coming out. chain plate in the deck. Keep pulling, Ollie, keep pulling. How heavy is that? Heavy enough. This is the chain plate. One and a half kilos. This is 4 kilos for all of this.
Okay, this is our bulkhead where the chain plate used to be. These are the bolt holes that have moved up. And here's Shane working.
Drawing lines.
Drawing lines. Okay, so he's got the template there. And that is the bulkhead and chain plate that you've made outside, isn't it? So you're just marking out where it's going to go?
Yep.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself back the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Yes! Show us the bulkhead, Dad.
What's left of it?
That's
The best bit inside.
ooh.
And half of it's now on my floor.
I know why the chain plates were started giving away here in the Caribbean. Because we'd been somewhere dry for so long, the wood had stopped, it sort of dried out really, so it stopped ripping. But being in the Caribbean where it rained every second day,
Every day. Whoa!
it all got wet again. And the wood just started accelerating and deteriorating.
Oh my gosh, so those holes are the bolt holes for the chain plate.
Yeah, and what was holding it together was just those couple little glass skins and no more wood inside.
Okay, what have you been up to, Ollie? Tell me.
Sanding and chipping away at the bulkhead here so we can get this to fit in properly.
Look.
Still not high enough.
Oh, it's better. Are you going to sit the pin flush with the deck, or do you want to actually have it come up so you can put the pin all the way through?
I want it so the bottom of the pin's just flush with the deck, so that yeah, well, it can never.
baby, you give me ice
basically with full main, full jib, about 12 knots of wind, fully powered up, this stay should just go slack in the waves. It's general rule of thumb. Just made a new chain plate for the port side, and I just want to gently sail on it today and make sure everything is fine and structurally sound and nothing moves and nothing does what it's not supposed to do. So the weather is absolutely perfect for doing that, so we'll go for a little sail.